So far, if you've been following along, and I really do recommend something, that you take each chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order. Now, every chapter does stand on its own, all right? They stand on their own. But if you're building, you get more knowledge this way, I think, and more understanding of each one of the chapters as you move into it. So again, if you've been following along, we've looked at basic shapes and the basic components of shapes. In this chapter, let's talk about the tool that creates the basic stuff. It's the pen tool. If there's one tool that is just kind of like the tool that you use in Adobe Illustrator, or any, Corel, there's a lot of different programs out there that do vector, even InDesign and Photoshop. They all have this tool, the pen tool. The pen tool is the functionally basic tool for drawing, well, just about anything you want to. If you can use the pen tool and you really can master it, you don't need anything else. Although I will agree with most people, if I'm drawing a rectangle, I'm going to use the rectangle tool. If I'm going to draw a circle, I'm going to use the ellipsis tool. Why? Well, it's easier that way. But I can draw rectangles and I can draw circles or any other shape with the pen tool. So we're going to start out with some of the pen tool basics. We're going to generate some simple paths. We're going to talk about adding and deleting and converting anchor points. All can be done with this one tool. We're going to get into controlling the tool, gaining control over it, working with smart guides and the pen tool, which is actually pretty smart when you think about it. And at the very end, we're going to build a telephone out of simple shapes and the pen tool. All that in this chapter. Let's go.